In this video, I'll detail how to turn on or enable Bluetooth on Apple Watch Series 9. So if you want to pair your Apple Watch with your iPhone, you need to enable Bluetooth. And once you disable the Bluetooth, your Apple Watch and your iPhone will be disconnected. So here, I'll basically show you how you can easily enable or turn on Bluetooth on your Apple Watch Series 9. So if I don't know this video, if you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing to do here is press the digital crown, press it once to go to the app menu. On the app menu, click on settings, then scroll down. First, click on airplane mode. So once you click on airplane mode, scroll down and locate Bluetooth, turn this on. Then once that is enabled, go back again, scroll down and click on Bluetooth. Then here, you should see Bluetooth still turned off, then go ahead and turn on Bluetooth. Then you should see your Bluetooth trying to search for available Bluetooth. Then here, your Bluetooth is now turned on and you can now connect your Apple Watch to your iPhone. So that's how you can easily turn on or enable Bluetooth on Apple Watch Series 9. If you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.